Hey everyone, it's Matt with Explore the World with Matt. On this trip, we're going to visit Reykjavik, Iceland. As you can see, this is the famous church in downtown Reykjavik. And if you can, like my video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We're going to move on from here and we're just going to take a little walking tour through the city, and I'll annotate this as time permits.
Hey everyone, I'm here in Reykjavik, Iceland. Just giving you a quick little peek of what I'm seeing here from the shoreline. That church off in the distance I walked up to and got pictures from below. I'll attach those to the video as well. It was kind of cloudy this morning, but you can see the sky's turned blue and it's sunny. It's quite pretty. Working my way back to the ship, but just wanted to give y'all a peek of what I'm up to today.
Taking a walk along the edge of the waterfront, you can see that it's anything but icy in Iceland. It's really green, beautiful flowers. This is taken in early summer, but we're talking about highs in the 50s. This is me just enjoying the walk. Waterfront several miles long, so it was a really nice walk. And they have this nice walking path along the waterfront, so it keeps you away from the cars and the traffic. But there is a road off to the left. You can't see it here. Come to this house that's made up of salvaged materials, and I'll have a better picture of it coming up in a few minutes. There's a picture of the house made of scrap materials. Looking out again into the bay from this area and the walking path with all the lush greenery around it. Continuing my walk towards downtown Reykjavik. Came across a lighthouse just outside the city. It's not very tall, but apparently it does its intended purpose. This monument was actually donated to the people of Iceland from the people of the United States of America. It's Leif Erikson at the top. Come back to the church. It's a beautiful church. I did not go inside because there was a long line and it was moving slowly. Walking around in downtown Reykjavik, the streets are clean and there's not a lot of traffic. It's very pedestrian friendly. As I continue my walk, you can see here that there's a footpath on the left, a two-way bike path in the middle, and off to the right is the actual roadway for cars. So it's really nice that you're not going to get run down by bicycles or cars. I live a keto lifestyle, and I was kind of surprised to find a snack box for keto and Coke Zero. Continuing my walk, you can see the day is still extremely beautiful. It's still cool, which is interesting because even though it's in the 50s, there's actual bugs flying around and mosquitoes because for them it's a really warm day. back to the house made of salvaged items. This is looking at the house from the beach. So it's actually a very large structure, but it also has a beautiful view of the beach from the house. This is looking towards the beach from the house. And kind of turning the camera a little to the left. It's a little rocky, but still a beautiful view from the house. And just continuing to walk around the house, and came across the garage and just took a picture of a local car. Continuing my walk, I'm kind of heading back towards the cruise ship that I was on. And when I get back to the port, you can see one of the Icelandic Navy's military ships there on the left. I was not on the coast of Fortuna, but that was the ship in the picture. I do want to invite everyone to explore the world with Matt. I continue to travel on my own, but my goal is to build up a knowledge base to help you. So you can visit my website at www.exploretheworldwithmatt.com. I'm here to be an information resource for you, as well as a travel advisor. So I can help you book your dream trip. I can just provide information. I can tell you about places I've been, and I do plan to start leading some group trips, and you'll be able to join me and meet me firsthand. So please just take a look at my website, www.exploretheworldwithmatt.com. And I'll remind you again, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel.